Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best wheelchair ramps for home that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Prairie SFW 330 Portable Single-Fold Ramp. The surface of this ramp is covered with non-slip skid tape that provides a secure grip when the chair is pushed up or down the ramp. With the anti-skid back design, the tramp stays on the stairs steadily and securely. This wheelchair ramp gives the disabled the freedom to move around their garden, apartment, or get off their cars. It comes when fully assembled, where you unfold it slowly and put it in the place you want. The ramp is designed with a handle that makes it convenient for you to carry it from one place to another. It is designed to accommodate scooters and wheelchairs with various wheel configurations. Additionally, it has a 30 inches wide platform that provides enough support and stability. It comes with safety instructions, video and security pins for extra safety. Moving on at number 4, we have MotorHot 5 feet portable folding wheelchair ramp. This ramp is built with lightweight aluminum construction, where it weighs 28 pounds, enabling you to carry it with ease and store it in compact areas. The ramp is great for loading onto steps, porches, landing, curbs, and minivans. Besides, it is built with a foldable design that makes it convenient to carry and store. It has a serrated top that helps to prevent slipping. Additionally, the durable and reliable construction makes the wheelchair best for everyday use. At number 3, we have Clever 3 feet extra wide aluminum wheelchair ramp. The wheelchair ramp is designed for manual and power wheelchairs with a non-slip traction tape that allows you to access vans, porches, trucks, landings, and cubs. It is made of a durable aluminum construction that supports up to 600 pounds weight capacity, making it best for electric wheelchairs and heavy scooters. It is equipped with safety pins and a built-in carrying handle that makes carrying hassle-free. This ramp weighs 16 pounds, making it easy to carry and store. The wheelchair ramp folds to 36 L, x16, W, x3, H, to enhance easy carrying in cars and simple storage when not in use. At number 2, we have Orford 7 feet foldable aluminum wheelchair ramp. The ramp is made of a welded aluminum construction and a quality traction surface that's slip-resistant and scratch-free to give maximum grip in all weather conditions. It is a versatile ramp that you can use for motorbikes, scooters, or any other unwieldy wheeled object from porches, stairs, or curbs. Besides, the ramp is designed to fold compactly to enhance portability and easy storage. It features a sturdy and functional carrying handle that makes carrying much easier. The ramp is built with a simple design that makes setup and takedown tasks simple. And finally at number 1, Easy Access Transitions Aluminum Ramp. The 5 inches tall entry ramp creates a sturdy and smooth surface for doorways. It is made of high-quality aluminum with a non-slip surface that provides extra traction and more safety. Furthermore, it is easy to install. You can add or remove the extensions as to accommodate thresholds from 4.75 to 5.25. It has a pivoting flap that attaches to the top of the ramp for 0.25 of extra adjustment. With threshold ramps, you can make your living space easier, safer, where they work for little high doors, portable ramps for vehicles or temporary needs. This ramp helps you disable one to regain confidence, mobility, freedom, and have the ability to access their home or vehicle with less struggle. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.